Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this stylized dissolved material. You can see it looks cool when I dissolve it. And I have some settings like I can do tiling, okay, like this. I can change the color by using this hue. And then I can just dissolve it like this. So if I have a less styling, you can see this is how it will look. Cool. So it's a very basic material and very easy to make. So let's start this tutorial and you can find this file on my Patreon as usual. So let's start this. So I have already created it. This is main material. This is instance. Let me save all and make a new folder and make it again from the scratch so you can understand better. So I'll just call it test and I'll create a material and I'll open this. I don't need any texture for it. So for that,